Brad Young at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Today we're going to walk around a 230 Sunliner, a 2021 model. We just got it in, so step on the board and let me show you the options. As we step around to the back of the boat, you'll notice that this has a 4-step stainless steel ladder. Harris has a patent on their ladder system. You got a wider grab handle, so it's easier to get on and off the boat. This boat is equipped with the Mercury 150 horsepower outboard. And something new for 2021 on these boats, they are now incorporating cup holders on the outside of the seating. As we step aboard, you'll notice that this layout is a single walkthrough. Look at the stitching. That is gorgeous. This has upgraded seating and vinyl for the Sunliner. As we come forward, you'll notice we also equipped this boat with a JL audio and a Simrad 7-inch screen. All your buttons. Dual helm seats. Storage for a full cover for the boat when you put it in storage. This is Brad Young at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. If you'd like to take a ride on this boat, give me a call at 850-420-1802. Thanks.